Alright fam, I want to use this video to teach you guys how to set up on your Forex factory, alright? So you simply come here and type forexfactory.com and then it loads up. Alright. Alright. So when you have come to Forex Factory, there are two things you want to do. Number one, you want to set up your time zone so that it will be accurate, and you want to filter the important news. All right. So for the filters, you come to this point, this torchlight button, or this torchlight stuff. Yeah. Um. Yeah. You don't right here. This torchlight stuff there. So you are clicking on that. So you click on it, and then you toggle out the important news, right? The red folder signifies high impact news, the orange signifies medium, the yellow signifies low impact, and the white signifies bank holidays, right? So you want to toggle out this. It's not important because you want to be only paying attention to the news that actually move, that are consequential or important in the financial market. All right, so you don't want to be seeing every news. You want to see the ones that are important, that might move the market, or and so you can know what to anticipate, when to leave the market, and all of that. All right, so you also want to know when there's holiday, so it will help you to know when to stay off the market. All right, so you can toggle the news you want to see. You can, if you don't trade, maybe you don't trade for instance, I don't trade chef, so I can take out chef. Maybe I don't trade CNY, I can take out CNY and all of that, but I like leaving all. Alright, so you toggle out that. So when you do that, you come to apply filter. So apply filter is just below. Click on apply filter and then you save. Then for your time zone, you come here. Alright, so somewhere around there, cancel, sorry, alright, so you should come around there. You're tapping at the left. I think I need to go back there so you can see it, what I did. Come here. So you're toggling on that time there. Right, that little time there. You're right here. Toggling, you're tapping this point here. Right, so you tap on that time so you can change the time zone to your local time in case it's not in your local time, right? So you tap on it. Right, then you will see the time. For instance, I'm in Nigeria, so you can choose the time zone you are. If you're wherever you are, you choose your time zone, right? You see, when you click on it, you will see different time zones, right? You will see Cario, you will see all of them. So you're using the one that you use, right? So in Nigeria, I'm using GMT plus one, right? So you click there. You can choose if you want it to be 24 hours. Like you think, like if you want it to be showing something like 13 hours, 14 hours, that is 24-hour period. But like I prefer AM and PM, right? So when you do that, you click on save settings, right? So you will see that everything is now done as you should. You will see a confirmation that your time is now 7:57 according to my local time, and then you're done. All right, so that is save settings. So you save the settings and it's done. So you can go back to the home. Yeah, you can go back to home to see the news, right? For instance, today, the 4th of January, we have four high impact news. So I don't trade chef, so I wouldn't be concerned about chef. I don't trade chef pairs, I trade USD. So I'll be cautious of the 4 p.m. news and the 8 p.m. news, right? So you can click down to see more news. On Thursday, we have USD, that is NFP, something like that on Thursday. And the main NFP is on 2:30 on Friday, right? So this helps you to know, and you can still have a holiday on Friday also, right? Euro bank holiday, something of that sort, right? So this is how you set up your Forex factory. I do have to subscribe, like this channel, and see you guys in the next video, all right? So I think I should end this video right about now.